So this is where we've managed to find a park up for tonight. It's just a little pull-in off the road, back in on to the forestry, I think, where they store logs and things. So there's a little gate there, but it's like a no access, it's all padlocks and no one else is going to get through it. So we're fine there. And then at the front there we've got 100 yards or 200 feet before you hit any kind of road, so no one is going to be going past us or anything like that tonight. You never know, might get the odd boy racer. And then at the end of the little lane where we're parked up, this was like the small country road then that gets you from A to B. And through the lovely woodland walks, which we will show you probably tomorrow morning now. Take the dogs for a quick run tonight, keep them happy before we settle down. We managed to get a TV signal here, which I'm absolutely gobsmacked about because it's in the middle of nowhere, in the middle of the woods. So we've got a TV signal. I've got one smidgen of 3G, keeps everyone happy. So yeah, all good to go. We'll see how we go tonight. So this is our motorhome, kind of set up for tonight. Just swivel the chairs round. Don't do a lot when it's just an overnight park up. Basically swivel the chairs. We've got some blinds across so the dogs can't escape. These are the pain at the butts. Bella, the blonde one, and Lottie, the crazy one. So yeah, kitchen area, living area, dining area / bedroom area when the drop down bed comes down. And tonight, this is our view. Check that out. You're not going to get a better view than that. Beautiful Canaston woods. Yes. So that's what we'll be waking up to tomorrow morning before we head off to our next little water call. There we go. We've got a chicken in the oven. Should be done in an hour and a half or so. So we'll catch you later. So today we're heading to Lawrenny Sports and Social Club, where they allow you to park in the car park overnight for free, so we've been told. En route we are passing Creswell Quay, nice little place, lovely beautiful village pub. Don't do food or anything, but you can get a beer, and it's just an absolutely beautiful setting overlooking the estuary, is it?
Estuary, yeah.
Estuary. So we'll show you that as we go past. It gets very busy, it's not open time yet, so it's quiet, but on any day the sun's out you will find it absolutely heaving. So this is estuary, massive car park. This is the pub, Lawrenny Arms. It's beautifully in the way. And
On the grass,
yeah, there's a, when we pass here where these grass verges, you I think can officially park up there, and people do say they stay overnight, not a problem. Quick walk to the pub. There's also a campsite at the end of this road. We've stayed at once before. It was about £25 a night, I think, something like that. That's quite nice as well, but tonight we're going for a freebie, so we're going to carry on and try the social club at Lawrenny.
Sure, the campsite is, and then get off there.
Roads are narrow, but I think they're passable. We're hoping they're passable. So, just over this bridge here to the right is where the campsite is. It looks like there's quite a few in there, a few tents, fans. Nice little site, friendly people.
But not for us today.
Not for us today, no. Girls are all excited, they're raring to go. You girls?
Ready
Yep.
to
We are.
cruise around.
We are. So we are now approaching the village of Lawrenny. Not a lot here, I don't think, because obviously it's Sports and Social Club.
Shop.
There is a shop, the pub, which apparently serves great food all day, all year round. And this is the social club.
There's no one there yet.
No. So,
We'll have a quick spin down.
yeah, we'll have a little tour down to Lawrenny, show you what's down at the quay, and then we'll come back and park it.
This is the pub on the left hand side,
Called Lawrenny Arms.
locally known as the Dog House.
Oh, is it? Maybe that's a new one on me. No, it's the dog house. Why is that?
It's the women of the book.
Oh, we won't put that on then.
Yeah, when it ever returns, it's got a dog.
Oh, right, okay, there we are. That's a nicer explanation. Used to come here as a kid with my grandparents for a picnic on a Sunday. And there used to be a big, massive slide, which I went down once, not looking, and it was full of water at the bottom, and I had a very soggy bottom.
Half of you.
So we are a few hours down the road, but our park up for tonight is Lawrenny Sports and Social Club, or Cricket Club. I'm not quite sure what the name is. I'm not sure what the going rate is, but tonight we've not been charged anything, but I'm not saying that's what it is all year round. I'm really not 100% sure. But we had the pleasure of watching the cricket this afternoon. Not my thing, but it was quite pleasant. The view is absolutely amazing. I think next time we would actually park the other side of the clubhouse, and the view of the estuary is beautiful. There is a kids park. The clubhouse is a lot bigger than it looks. Very nice, very reasonably priced, and like 10 or 11 different beers. A lot of beer to drink if you're up for that. Yeah, so as either a freebie or even if you paid £5 or £10 a night, I would say it's a really good stop. It was a 20-minute walk to the nearest pub, which is a cracker. The food served at that pub I'll put a link to later on the menu. Very reasonably priced, anything from £9–10 a head. I don't think, the only thing I think that was over 20 was a steak, fair enough, but everything was very reasonably priced. However, we're cooking at home tonight with Chef Evans, who is doing as a salad to go with our piri-piri chicken. Dogs have been remarkably well behaved. I'll give them, because we've left them tonight for half an hour. We're still working on that one. And as long as we close all the blinds, they're pretty well behaved. So yeah, so from us tonight, it is goodbye for now.